If you want to analyze requirements efficiently, this is how you ideally need them, in a structured format with all attributes in your requirements management system. But reality often looks more like this. Requirements contained in a PDF are difficult for tools to interpret as the document is an unstructured data format. Automatically extracting a requirement with all its content elements and context is nearly impossible. The consequence? You have to manually transfer the requirements into Polarian, a task that not only takes up a lot of your time, but is also prone to errors. With the Structure Navigator, you can derive structure from a PDF document and create a Requirements Interchange Format file, ready to upload into Polarian or other systems. Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. Once you upload a document into Structure Navigator, you enter the mapping step. Here, Samantha analyzes the document visually, breaking it down into paragraphs with similar text features and displaying them in groups. You can go through these groups and define which text feature belongs to which paragraph type, such as heading, reference ID, or description. You can also mark text to be ignored. Best of all, Samantha learns from your mapping for future uploads of similar documents, improving the process for the next time. Another benefit, if you're working with a very specific document, you can label it in advance and train a model to perform the mapping based on that. In the next step, you define where sections begin. They represent the requirements in your document. You can define where they start by specifying the paragraph type or using a regular expression. In this case, every requirement starts with an ID, so you can easily split the document based on this paragraph type. After completing the mapping and section definition, you'll move to the structuring step. Here, you can view the sections and attributes Samantha created. For instance, the document title, headings, and the requirements content. Each section can consist of different paragraph types, like reference ID, description, translation, and object type. Even images and tables are recognized and stored as objects. If a requirement spans across 2 pages with other text in between, Samantha still identifies and links the corresponding paragraphs of that requirement. Of course, you can adjust both sections and paragraphs by merging, splitting, or deleting them as needed. The grid view allows you to quickly review the output and check if all requirements are fully captured. Once you're happy with the results, you can easily export them as a ReqIF file. During the import process into Polarian, you can map the attributes from Structure Navigator to the corresponding attributes defined in Polarian, ensuring a consistent data pool. After the upload, your requirements document is available in Polarian, formatted exactly as you need it, with all individual requirements and their attributes included, ready for you to analyze. More helpful features are coming soon. For example, importing and exporting other formats such as Excel, adjusting images and tables, or splitting attributes.